You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a pry bar, remove the air hose located on the left of the airbox. Lift the airbox to disengage it, then shift it to the left to unclip the air conduit from its support. Remove the airbox. Using a T20 Torx socket, remove the 11 screws securing the air filter flange. Open the airbox. Then remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back on. Rescrew the 11 holding screws. Put the airbox back in place, paying careful attention to properly put the spur into position. Then push down to lock it in place. Reconnect the hose. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.